Oh my god! Stop me! Oh, one sec, there's a ledge there. Again. Move! I told you to move! Oh, is it? Oh, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be painting. Well, wait, let me think of a better word. Designing, creating, masterpiecing. So there's lots of brilliant words. But when I watch my videos, I'm always thinking, why didn't I say that? Wait, let me think. Completing. Never mind. Anyway, guys. Oops. That was wrong. Anyway, so I'm going to be painting it. I dip this in water so it's smoother at the bottom. So I guess I'm going to work my way from the top to the bottom. So you can see this string here. I could colour in that, make it a zip, and make a design. So first I need to dip the brush in water because it's a bit hard, the bristles. Okay, so I have the... Oops, sorry. Mum, this is perfect. Look at this angle. We need to do this more. So we've got this going to dip. Mum, I think that's a bit too loud for my video. So my mum just cracked an egg on the floor, so now I only have to decorate one. That's so not fair. She's too clumsy, you know. And I can't open this. Guys, do you want to know a secret? This is not a jumper, it's my pajama top. And this is my, well, this is my t-shirt. So, what design? I'm going to do like a rainbow maybe like that, or like a, let me see. Great. Mom, can I have a paper towel, please? I'm bleeding. It's April Fools anyway. I'm bleeding. April Fools. Well, that just happened. So, look, it's acrylic paint. You didn't even know. Yeah. Go me. What design should I do, Mum? What do I keep painting on myself? I'm not the egg. Huh?
Rainbow?
Yeah, I was thinking that too. This brush kind of sucks. And when I say kind of, I mean a lot. Red is first. Sorry guys, I went silent and I forgot I was recording for a sec. Oh. I should just open them all. That's probably what you guys are thinking. Mom, I've not got enough colours. Will you look in there, Mum, please? There's pink and purple in there. Oh, there actually is. What did she do? By the way, this is not a paint, this is slime, but thanks for finding it. Yeah, reopen it, please. The yellow. Guys, this is a tough job. Oh, here's the pink. Got the pink. Mommy, we open these. No, they're pink. They're pink. No, they're yellow. What am I thinking?
Oh, okay.
I know. Wait, do it over. I can't bear. You've done so many things wrong. Ooh, you really scared me, Mum. First she drops an egg, guys. Then she puts this paint in the water. And now she nearly spilled the paint. Where do you think I've got my clumsiness from? Red and yellow and red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. I'm going to blend the colours. Blend, a really good word, you know. Blend it, blend. Blend. Red and yellow and pink. Oh, it looks like lava. Ooh. Mum, because you're my mummy,
Oh, yeah.
and we open this, please. It's really hard in real life. I'm telling the truth, bro. Blue. I can see your rainbow, see your rainbow, see your rainbow too. Look how dried up that is. Like nothing. Like look, Mom, it's boiling. It's coming out of the pan. Bubbles were drifting out of the pan. It's like popping. Like, that's all. That. Oh. Red and yellow and pink and green. Greeny green. Pink and green. Orange and purple. Mom, I really wish you didn't rate the other one, because I had a really good idea for the other one. I was going to do galaxy. Rainbow on one, galaxy on the other. So guys, if you feel bad for me, give this video a big thumbs up. Mum, will you take me to Home Bargains tomorrow and buy me more? These are fun.
Probably found another place.
Not the exact same though. And then on Easter Day, oh guys, so if you haven't seen it, It's called Just a Magic. It's coming out April 7th on my YouTube channel. And I hope you like it. It took me ages to make. It's already been made. The film and the trailer. So you might see it on adverts as well. Because I'm making adverts. Red and yellow and pink and green. Orange, which is, we don't have it, but red and yellow makes orange. Red and yellow, red and yellow and pink and green. Orange. So guys, I have. Now guys, I'm going to ditch the rainbow. I'm going to do it Jasmine style. So here's so far. Lots of smudges. Sorry about that. But when it's done, I think it's going to look really cool. One side of it's going to be really annoying right now. Sorry guys if I'm being that quiet, because I'm concentrating. Mom, please reopen this. And it's because I'm upset because she cracked another egg. Please reopen this. The blue. Yeah. 11 minutes, 45, 46, 47. Okay guys, so I got the blue. So I'm going to go just blue and purple. My two favourite colours. Dry. What makes blue? Red. What makes purple? Red and blue. Actually makes purple. I need some red. Oh, it made a brown. No, that's not what I want. No, it's getting browner and browner. Maybe if I add a bit of green. I think green will help it. Okay, that's as purple as it will get. blend, blend, blend. Here's my egg. Blend, 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 blend it, blend it, blend it. So it goes purple, 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 purple. Don't worry guys, I'm not going to forget the stars. Need some green for the northern lights. Green, 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 green. Oh, I need to do the planets. Planet there. Planet there. Planet there. And guys, this is for my mum. And I'll show you the finished results. And here is the egg. I know I messed up a bit, but it looks really nice to me. It looks like a bunch of colours, so I'm going to give it to my mum. Mummy! Here's your egg. Do you like it? No, I just press play.
Yeah, it's lovely. Put it to dry though.
Where?
In that.
With water. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video.